When you start AutoCAD 2016, you'll reach this screen called Zero Screen. Now, on this screen in the left, you'll see this Start Drawing panel from where you can launch your default template. If you want to launch any other template, then go to this small arrow, click here, and you'll see a list of all the templates which are in AutoCAD. These are all default templates. You can select the required template and AutoCAD will launch using that template. You can also open files, sheet sets, and you can also look for templates online using all these tools. You'll see a list of recent documents which you have already used in this preview. Also, you'll see some notifications and suggestions for improving performance and other issues related to AutoCAD. You can connect with your Autodesk 360 cloud account from here. Right now you can see that I'm connected with my account, and here's my email ID. Now let's go and launch AutoCAD with the default template acad.dwt. Once you have launched, you'll see this preview. In this preview, here we have ribbon. Now this ribbon has got lots of tabs: home, insert, annotate, and there are many other such tabs. If you want to change the view of these ribbons, then click on this small arrow. Now this will minimize these panels to only icons. When you click on this again, this will minimize it further to its names, and once clicking it again, it will completely make it disappear. Click it again and this will come back to its original configuration. Now these are all the default panels. If you want to turn on any tab or panel, right click on this blank area. Go to Show Tabs, and now you can see that these are the tabs which are currently turned on. In this case, 3D Tools and Visualize tabs are turned off. If you want to turn them on, click on 3D Tools. And here you can see that 3D Tools tab will appear on the screen. Also, if you want to turn off any tab, go to Show Tabs and click on Home. And there is no more a Home tab. If you want to make it appear again, right click, Show Tabs, and check it again. You can also turn off these panels on or off. So right click here, go to Show Panels, and right now you can see that all the panels on Home tab are visible. If you want to delete temporarily any panel, click on this checkbox, and now you can clearly see that the Draw panel disappears. If you want to make it appear again, click on Draw panel again. You can also move these panels from these tabs to your desired location. To move these panels, click on this blank area, hold your left key of mouse and move it. So clearly you can see that this panel now detaches itself from this panel, from this tab, and now it's present here. If you want to move it back to its original position, click on this small Return Panels button, and it will get back to its original location. Right now we are looking at AutoCAD in this tab view. If you want to bring menu bar, then click on this small arrow and click on Show Menu Bar. This will make your menu bar appear on AutoCAD along with tabs and ribbons. If you want to make it disappear, click here and click on Hide Menu Bar.